Chapter 1. A New Beginning. Samantha's life had never been easy, but she was determined to provide for her two young children, Emma and Lucas. With limited options, she found work as a waitress at the Crimson Bar, a dimly lit place frequented by rough-looking men. It was a new beginning, and she hoped to shield her kids from the harsh realities of her workplace. Chapter 2. The Daily Grind. Each day, Samantha faced leering eyes and crude comments from her male customers. She tolerated their harassment because she had no choice. The money she earned was essential to keep a roof over her children's heads and food on the table. Chapter 3. An Unexpected Friendship. One evening, a mysterious stranger named Alex walked into the Crimson Bar. Unlike the other patrons, he was polite and respectful. Samantha found herself drawn to his kindness, and they struck up a friendship that would prove to be life-changing. Chapter 4. Emma's Dream. Emma, Samantha's eldest, was a bright and curious child. Despite their circumstances, she dreamt of becoming a scientist. Samantha encouraged her daughter's aspirations and secretly saved every extra dollar she could for Emma's future. Chapter 5. Lucas' first day. Lucas, Samantha's youngest, started school. Samantha felt a mix of pride and worry as she watched him walk away with his tiny backpack. She was determined to give him a better life, no matter what it took. Chapter 6. A Hidden Talent. Samantha discovered her hidden talent for singing. She had a beautiful voice, and one night she mustered the courage to sing on the small stage at the Crimson Bar. The crowd fell silent, captivated by her soulful performance. Chapter 7. A New Opportunity. Alex, who had been a regular at the bar, recognized Samantha's talent and offered to help her record a demo. He saw the potential for her to escape the confines of the bar and pursue her dreams of becoming a singer. Chapter 8. The Transformative Power of Music. As Samantha's music career began to take off, she found herself slowly gaining financial independence. She continued to work at the bar, but with a newfound confidence, refusing to tolerate any more harassment or exploitation. Chapter 9. Empowerment and Transformation. Samantha's story inspired other women at the Crimson Bar to stand up against mistreatment. Together, they created a supportive environment and demanded fair treatment from the management. Slowly but surely, the bar transformed into a safer place for its employees. Chapter 10. A bright future. Years passed, and Samantha's dream of a better life for her children became a reality. Emma pursued her education and eventually became a successful scientist, while Lucas thrived in a loving and supportive environment. Samantha's music career blossomed, proving that even in the darkest of places, resilience and determination could lead to a brighter future. In the end, Samantha's story became a beacon of hope for others facing similar challenges, a testament to the power of strength, perseverance, and the transformative nature of pursuing one's dreams. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating stories right here on Stories of Lauti. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next episode.